Nutrition. So, what is nutrition? Nutrition is basically the foundation of how our bodies function. It's the process of taking in food and absorbing the nutrients that keep us going. We usually don't think about it day to day, but every single thing we eat becomes part of our energy, our cells, our organs, and the chemicals our bodies produce. Proper nutrition also affects more than just our physical health. It helps shape mental health, emotional balance, and how well we perform in daily life. Even though nutrition is so important, not everyone gets the right nutrients in the right amounts. That's why we're learning about nutrition matters, because the choices we make now have long-term effects on our overall well-being. There are several impacts that nutrition has on our health every day. Nutrition plays a major role in public health. For example, most Americans struggle with weight challenges, and many adults are overweight or obese in today's world. When diets are high in processed foods, added sugar, and unhealthy fats, the risk of chronic diseases goes up. These include heart disease, diabetes, and other long-term health problems. On the better side, healthier eating habits can prevent, manage, or even reverse some of these conditions. A balanced diet can support a longer, healthier life and improve the overall quality of life as we age. Making better everyday food choices makes a real difference in one's overall health. Key nutrients and their roles. There are several key nutrients that our bodies depend on. Protein helps build and repair tissues, and it's needed for muscle maintenance. Carbohydrates give us energy to power our day, while fats help with cell structure, brain function, and hormone balance. Vitamins and minerals support hundreds of chemical reactions that keep our systems healthy. And of course, water is essential for digestion, temperature control, and transporting nutrients. When these nutrients are balanced, our bodies function the way they should. And when nutrition is poor, it can bring on more risk. When we don't get the right nutrients or when our diets rely heavily on unhealthy foods, there tends to be more consequences. One of the biggest risks is obesity, which increases the chance of diabetes and heart disease. Poor nutrition also weakens the immune system, making it harder for our bodies to fight off illness. Nutrition also impacts mental health. Diets low in essential nutrients have been linked to anxiety, depression, irritability, and lower energy levels. All of these factors make daily life harder, and they can decrease performance at school, work, and overall quality of life. Some may ask how nutrition affects aging. Well, I can tell you right here, what we eat plays a major role in how we age. A nutritious diet can slow age-related decline by supporting our bones, muscles, and brain. Eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods can help maintain mobility, strength, memory, and decision-making skills as we get older. Healthy eating habits also support emotional well-being and help older adults stay independent longer. Nutrition matters at every age, but effects really show as we grow older. Research shows that nutrition is directly linked to healthy aging and longevity. Diets in high vegetable fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins can lower the risk of age-related diseases and help keep the body functioning properly. Nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and protein are especially important because they support bone strength and muscle mass. Antioxidants, which we get from foods like berries, nuts, and dark leafy greens, help protect cells from damage. This can support cognitive health and may even slow memory decline. Nutrition truly becomes a long-term investment in how well we age. Not only does nutrition affect weight or physical illnesses, it also supports how we feel, how we react to stress, and also how we think. Certain nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins have been linked to lower levels of anxiety and depression. On the other hand, diets high in sugar and processed foods can make us feel tired, unfocused, or emotionally unstable. Many people don't realize how quickly food choices can affect their mood and mental clarity. Eating a well balanced diet supports emotional well being and cognitive performance. Women have a unique nutritional needs throughout their life. From adolescence through pregnancy and into menopause, nutrients like iron, calcium, folate, and vitamin D all play key roles in supporting reproductive health, bone strength, and energy levels. Eating well can help regulate hormones, improve mood, and reduce fatigue. Choosing whole foods, staying hydrated, and limiting highly processed foods support long term health and well being. Good nutrition becomes a major part of self care for women at every stage of life. There are a few tips we can give about proper nutrition. So let's get that started here. Improving nutrition, it doesn't have to be overwhelming or even stressful. A good first step is eating a variety of foods. That's right, nutrition is all about your diet. And these variety of foods include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods also provide essential vitamins and minerals that the body needs for daily function. Cutting back on processed foods like McDonald's and other fast food places, also added sugars and unhealthy fats can reduce health risks. Drinking enough water and being mindful of portion sizes also play a huge role and make a big difference. Tracking what we eat can also help us notice patterns and prevent deficiencies or overeating. Small changes add up over time, and developing good habits lead to lasting results. To sum this all together, nutrition is one of the most important parts of overall health. What we eat fuels our energy, supports every body system, and influences our mental and emotional health. Poor nutrition contributes to disease, fatigue, stress, and mental health challenges. But the positive side is that following simple, healthy guidelines can lead to major improvements. Education and awareness help people make better choices, and better choices lead to healthier lives. Nutrition is something we should all take seriously because it shapes our long term well being. And we only have one life to live, so why not take care of it